In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add bots to custom games here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Getting into it though, the first thing that you're going to want to do is load into multiplayer and then select find a match down in the bottom left. And once you are here, go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and select private match and then hit create a private match. You can even invite your friends here if you want to play against bots and your friends at the exact same time. But essentially, if you want to add bots, all you have to do is look over at team 1. If you want bots on your team, go ahead and hit this little plus icon, change the bot amount, change the bot difficulty, and then go ahead and hit confirm. And as you can see, it's going to add a bunch of bots there. But if you want to play specifically against them, go to team 2, go ahead and, add some on there. The max you can do is 11 in total, so just keep that in mind. Change the difficulty again and then hit confirm again, and boom, look at that. We got it completely set up. The reason you can only do a total of 11 is because the game supports 12 players, obviously one being yourself. But after that, you can change the map, you can change the mode, you can even adjust the rules, all for your custom game. Once everything looks good, hit start match and you'll be good to go. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.